If you want to become rich, you must invest your money because we can work max 8 to 10 hours per day. If you invest your money, it will work for you 24 bar 7. So that's the reason you must invest your money. But you have to invest in a right asset class. If you look at the investment option in India, earlier people used to invest in FD. Currently FD rates are around 7%. Inflation itself in India around 5%. If you minus the inflation, you are going to get the real return of just 2%. Earlier people used to invest in gold, but if you look at the gold return around 8%. If you minus the inflation, you are going to get 3% of return. Next one is real estate. Real estate is one of the best investment option, but it is not possible for everybody. If you want to invest in real estate, you require huge amount of money. Depends on the place, depends on the city, the amount will increase and decrease. So that's the reason nowadays people are switching from traditional investment to modern investment. People are investing into the equity market, people are investing via mutual fund. Once you invest into the mutual fund, once you invest into the equity market, two stocks they are going to benefit from this trend. Can you guess the name? It's none other than CDSL and CAMS. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video, I would like to discuss how CDSL and CAMS they are going to benefit from this trend. Friends, you can stay till the end because you will be learning a lot in this video. Let's get started. In this video, what I will do is I'll make two parts. In the first part of the video, I will discuss about CDSL. In next part of the video, I'll discuss about CAMS. CDSL, Central Depository Participant Limited, which is one of the largest DP in India. Earlier, if you want to invest into the equity market, if you want to buy the share, it was very difficult. It was very painful process because lot of paperwork had to be done. So that's the reason people are not investing into the equity market. Later, dematerialized system which has been introduced into the Indian equity market. With the dematerialized system, what happened is once you buy the share, your shares will be stored in a DP in an electronic form. This dematerialized system which has given a birth for two DP, one is CDSL, second one is NSTL. Friends, today we are going to discuss about CDSL. CDSL, which is a DP, Central Depository Services Limited, which is established in 1999. DP, it will play very important role in Indian stock market. DP, it will hold stocks, mutual fund, bonds, other securities in electronic form. For example, we have a bank account. We will credit the money. Bank will hold the money in electronic form. In the same way, CDSL, DP, it will hold stocks, mutual fund, bonds in an electronic form. Friends, now I'm going to explain how we are connected to stock market, how DP will play very important role. Friends, here I'm giving a two example. So one investor is Sachin, second one is Surya. Sachin has Infosys share 100 quantity at the price of 1500. Now he wants to sell Infosys share. In the same time, Surya, he's a one more investor. He wants to buy Infosys 100 share at the price of 1500. Here, Sachin, what will do is, let's say that he has Motilal Oswal Demat account. He will place a sell order in Motilal Oswal Demat account. In the same time, Surya wants to buy Infosys 100 share at the price of 1500. He will place a buy order in Zerodha Demat account. Let's say that he has Zerodha Demat account. After that, what will happen is Sachin, he will place a sell order in his respective broker account. Broker will send this request to exchange. In the same time, Surya, he wants to buy. He will place buy order. So broker will send this request to exchange. So after that, what will happen is exchange will send the both the request to DP. Here, what will happen is Sachin, he has 100 Infosys share with the price of 1500. So both order will get match. So price will also get match. So after that, what will happen is order will get executed. 100 shares will debit from the Sachin Demat account and 100 shares will credit to the Surya Demat account. This is how DP will play very important role in stock market. Business model and services of the CDSL. The first one is depository services. CDSL is a DP. It will hold stocks, mutual fund in an electronic form as well as It will provide services on transfer and pledge of the securities and e-voting services. The second one is data storage. CDSL, it will maintain the KYC document of capital market investor. The third one is electronic access to security and transaction. With the help of CDSL, investor can operate a demat account from anywhere and anytime. With the help of CDSL, we can make a transaction. We can buy and sell the shares. Fourth one is statement and SMS alert. CDSL will send a consolidated account statement to the investor as well as it will send transaction related SMS alert to investor. It will provide KYC services and margin pledging services. How CDSL makes money? The first one is annual maintenance charges. Once you open a demat account from any broker, you need to pay the AMC charges, annual maintenance charges, which will be around 300 rupees. Second one is transaction charges. When you buy and sell the stocks, you need to pay the transaction charges. This is how CDSL makes money. Friends, if you look at the future is very bright. The stock market investment in India, it's a just beginning. In the future, the more and more people, they will start investing into the Indian equity market. So Indian population is 1.4 billion plus population, wherein only 8 crore people are investing into the Indian equity market. In the future, this number will increase. Automatically, there is a huge growth for CDSL. Growth of the CDSL, it depends on the growth of the capital market. When there is a higher trading volume, more profit for the CDSL. When there is a less trading volume, so less profit for the CDSL. I would like to give one example. During the COVID, so most of the people, they were staying at the home. In that time, what they have done is they started to explore stock market. More and more people, they started to investing into the Indian equity market. So that's the reason there was a higher trading volume in the market. That's why Nifty has zoomed from 7,500 to 15,000. In that time, CDSL stock price zoomed from 250 to 1600. After that, there was a correction in the market. That's why stock corrected from 1600 to 900. So once again, foreign portfolio investors, domestic institutional investors, they are aggressively investing into the Indian equity market. That's why stock price zoomed from 900 to 1800. The growth of the stock, it depends on the trading volume. Next one is CAMS, Computer Age Management Services. The mutual fund industry in India, which is one of the fastest growing sector. Nowadays, people are switching from traditional investment to mutual fund investment. Once you invest into the mutual fund, AMC, asset management company, they will only take care of asset allocation, portfolio construction, rebalancing, marketing activity. They will not take care of back-end work. The back-end work is like a application processing, switch, redemption, check clearance. All the back-end work will be taken care by the CAMS. That's the reason CAMS has got a huge growth potential. Growing mutual fund industry. For the last 5 years, Indian mutual fund industry, which is growing very faster. The major reason is nowadays more and more people are investing into the mutual fund. They are participating into the equity market via mutual fund. Earlier, people used to invest in FD insurance. The return we get from the FD and insurance, which is very less. If you compare to FD and mutual funds will give you a better return. Along with that, in the long term, it will create a huge wealth. That's the reason more and more people are investing into the mutual fund. India is going to be a third largest economy after US and China. India is growing very faster. That's why people are understanding the importance of investing into the equity market. They are investing into the mutual fund, which will fuel the growth of CAMS. Friends, this is how CAMS and CDSL, they are going to benefit in the long term. Friends, I hope you find this video useful. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with the community. This video is only for education purpose. This is not a buy and sell recommendation. If you want to learn more about investment, you can explore my online course. Thank you so much.